Wait, what did you see? Something amazing, come on! You always find trouble. This way!
Finally, you can now use Grok AI again. You can use Grok AI again for 1 month. Let me show you how you are going to get access to it and how you are going to start using Grok AI to generate images and also generate videos for free on Grok AI platform. Let me show you how you are going to get started in less than 1 minute. Let's get started. So now let's get started, and to get access to use Grok AI again, we'll be using our laptop to test this. So what you need to do is just to head over to your browser. You can download the app on your phone or you can use your browser. So just search for Grok AI. Now when you search for Grok AI, it's going to open like this. As you can see, this first one that says grok.com. Now you click on it, and when you click on it, it's going to open. So what you just need to do is just to sign up. Make sure you pay attention very well, because I'm going to show you how you are going to get access to it and use it for free. So make sure you pay attention and watch this video to the end. Don't skip any part, because if you skip a part, you are going to miss it out. Now, as you can see, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on Got In. So I have an account with them before. I'm going to log out from this account. I'm going to click on Sign Out. So that I'm going to show you guys how you are going to get access to it and use it for free. So let's log out on this account right now. After you sign out, the next thing you are going to do is to click on Sign Up here. As you can see, you click on Sign Up. Now when you click on Sign Up, it's going to take you to an interface like this, where it will ask you to continue with your Gmail account, or you continue with your S account. Now the next thing you are going to do, just come down here. So I will be using one of my Gmail accounts to register on this AI tool. So the next thing I'm going to do is just to click on Sign Up with Gmail. Now when I click on Sign Up with Gmail, it's going to open, and I will click on my Gmail account, which I want to use to log in from this account. Now this is the Gmail account I'm using. So I'm trying to log in right now using a new Gmail account. Now I've successfully logged in into the account using my new Gmail account. So the next thing you are going to do, you are going to see come to interface like this. As you can see, Imagine here. You put it on Imagine. Now when you click on Imagine, it's going to bring you to an interface like this, where you can start creating your images and also create videos. So we are using it for free. So I'm going to show you how you are going to test it for free. First of all, I want us to create image first. So now let's copy a prompt here. This is prompt. Let's copy this prompt. I will go back to ChatGPT, Grok AI, and we are going to paste the prompt here to generate our image. So we click this, we put it on image. As you can see, it's on image right now. If you bring it here, it's going to be on video. So right now we are creating image. Now when you put it on image, you select your aspect ratio. Now I'm going to put it 16:9, and after we generate this image, we're also going to turn it to video. Now the next thing we are going to do is to click on generate. Now as you can see, immediately we click on generate, it has started generating our image without subscribing, without upgrade to any package, and in less than 1 minute it has successfully generated our image. So we can turn this image direct to video here, or we can download the image. As you can see, it generates 2 images for us. So let's tap on this one. This is the first one it generates here, as you can see. So we can download this image to our phone. So let me click on save, and I'm going to save this image. Now this is the image here. After saving this image, we are going to turn this image to video using Grok AI. Now we go back, and the next thing we are going to do is to click on video here. We are going to change this to video. We change it to video, and we click on plus icon. Now when we click on plus icon, you can upload that your image will just generate right now. So we click on this plus, we click on upload media. So now it will bring us here. This is the image we just generate right now. We paste the image here, and right now it's uploading the image. Now the image has been uploaded. So the next thing we are going to do is to copy our image to video prompt. So now let's go back to ChatGPT, and we copy our image to video prompt. Let's copy our image to video prompt, and this is the image to video prompt. We copy it, and after we copy it, the next thing we are going to do is to go back to Grok AI again, and the next thing we paste our prompt here. And after you paste your prompt, make sure you put it on 480p, because we are using it for free. If you put it on 720p, it is going to ask you to upgrade. And make sure you also put it in 6 seconds. Don't put it in 10 seconds or 15 seconds. If not, it will ask you to upgrade. But we can extend this video. After the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can extend this video. Now, after everything is set, the next thing you click on generate. And when you click on generate, it's going to start turning this image to video. This image is going to turn it to video. So let's wait for it to load. Now finally our video is ready here. As you can see, this is our video. It has changed it to video right now. in just less than 1 minute. So if you want to extend this video, like you want this video to be so long, all you just have to do is just to tap on here like this. You are going to see where it says extend from frame, and you tap on it, and it's going to extend this video, and it's going to extend this video, but you cannot extend it if you are using free plan. So you need to upgrade before you can use it. So right now, as you can see, we have generated video with Grok AI for free, and this video we can also download it to our laptop or to our phone. So you can still use Grok AI right now to generate video. At the time of making this video, it is still free, but after the next month, the free offer is going to be ended. So make sure you generate as much as you want before the free offer is over. So go and generate video right now with Grok AI. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on our next video.